We're going strawberry picking right now.
Okay. You see any strawberries you want to pick?
I don't see any.
Yeah, I see one. Pick those one.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right here.
I can't tell.
Okay, just bend down and pick it. Yes, that's it.
Where?
Look at one.
This?
Yes. Good job. Good job, AJ. You have to pick and fill up your baskets. You have to fill up your baskets.
Look, I got some.
Ooh, good job, AJ. Nice. You have to fill up your basket now.
This is the chicken pen. Chicken! This is the chicken pen. Chicken over pen. Here. This is the chicken pen. I think they're laying eggs right now.
Oh, at least you have small
From
food.
the cows. There's milk from the. You want some? No. Go. Dada, go. That's cows. That's cows. No. It's a baby goat. Look, it's a baby. I don't have any more. It's a baby goat. It's a baby goat.
AJ, come and feed this one. Come feed this one. Come feed this one. This guy's hungry. AJ, come. This guy's hungry. This guy right here is hungry. AJ, no, he can't. Come this way. There's not enough room for him there. Yay.
Oh my goodness! He didn't eat it! Oh, it was the food. He didn't have it yet. Oh, this guy wants I'm not taking that one. Is there any good ones? No, what over there? Yes. Look how much I have. Oh my god. Sweating. I'm sweating because of it's hot. Not that sunny because I'm wearing this hat.